Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you a super beautiful and super simple pattern, an arpeggio pattern on this amazing Chord 9 Yatao pen. And it's not a normal Yatao pen, it's our mini line. So nice for traveling, so nice actually to play it. I just got it out of the shelf and played for the first time since a long time, and it amazes me how like short the distances are. So for everyone who has like a smaller body or is traveling a lot, this is a heartfelt recommendation. Just click the link below and check out our mini handpans. So the pattern that we're gonna learn today sounds like that. It doesn't matter if you have a Chord 10, a Chord 9. You can, play it also with another scale. If you have something else at home, just find the right chords that sound beautiful to you, and then you can follow my instructions as well. So the pattern is a hand-to-hand pattern. This is, just very suitable for beginners, everyone who's just starting out. That's the hand movement I was also using a lot in the first couple of years, because especially if you are not home in any like rhythm-based instrument, it might be difficult for you to like move your body constantly in a hand-to-hand pattern, and anything beyond is way more difficult. So we start easy, we start slow. And at first, I want to explain you which chords we use today. So the basis of this, or the foundation of this pattern is 2-4 for the first chord. Then the second chord is 1-4. And the third and the fourth chord are the same, and that's 1 and 3. And we're gonna extend those chords with 2 more notes. So for the first chord, we play 2, 4, 6, and 8. The second chord is 1, 4, 6, 8. So the only difference is the 2 becomes the 1. And then for the last chord, we play 1, 3, 5, and 7. So if you have any difficulties to remember this, just click the link in the description. There is a beautifully prepared PDF for you where like I wrote down all the notes that we're gonna play and in the order that we're gonna play them. So just download it, print it, or put it on your screen so that you can always follow the right tabulatures. Let's put this together. We're gonna start with the right hand, and then, as I said, it's a hand-to-hand pattern. So after the right hand, the left hand follows, the right hand again, the left hand. So it's continuously right, left, right, left, right, left. The first chord looks like that. 2, 4, 6, 8. Right, left, right, left. Together with me. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Make sure to start with the right hand on the lowest note, and then simply remember that it's always right, left, right, left, right, left. So you don't have to worry which hand to use next. It's very, very clear if you remember it's a hand-to-hand pattern. So for the second chord, we're gonna change from tone field number 2 to tone field number 1, and then it's gonna look like this. 1, 4, 6, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8. Together with me. Now that you can play the first and second chord already, you could stop this video and just play the first chord for 4 times. And then switch to the second chord for 4 times. play this a few times in a loop to, just get yourself more comfortable with this pattern. And then we go to the other side of the instrument as soon as you feel ready. And here we also going to start with the right hand, and then we play right, left, all the notes on the right side. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. And that's it. Let's put it all together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 4, 6, 8, 1, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. Another time. Here we go. That's the whole pattern. Congratulations, you made it. That's beautiful. And now you might want to integrate it into your compositions, or you want to start a new composition from there, take it into your improvisations. What you can always do is to change the highest note to create a slightly different melody. Could look and sound like that. So I wish you a lot of fun with this simple pattern, and let me know in the comments if you would like to learn something that you can play afterwards or before, something that you combine this beautiful arpeggio pattern with. I'm looking forward to see you soon again, and have a blessed day.